Hello everyone, today we'll present to you what we did during this hackathon. We were a team of 4, 2 girls and 2 boys. We decided to tackle Parkinson's disease. It is a neurodegenerative disorder and today no cure has been found yet. We can also add that symptoms are quite unexpected.
The goal of our team was then to develop a tool that was to be used for doctors to try and predict the apparition of the disease. Our project used AI and a data set to predict those symptoms. And what can be said of this project is that it has 82% accuracy and precision. And now we'll make a demonstration of the app for you.
So our data was coming from a clinical survey, so clinical data from like more than 55,000 people. So we did the same, exactly the same survey as they did. So first of all, some personal informations. Next, motor informations, use of cannabis for cure, environmental exposure, alcohol, caffeine, and then something about genotype, family. For example, has anyone in your family ever had Parkinson's disease? If I answer yes, I can select, for example, my grandmother, health history, a lot of things, and then I submit, and it takes a bit of time to process because we use a AI model, and then we have very low probability of having Parkinson nowadays because we only 50 at that time, but we see that over the time it can improve, and in the population the amount of proportion of people that have PD is less than 1%, so we see that we are like in that range. Our model accuracy is 81. We have a data set of more than 600 rows because each person answered several times. And here you have your IG. You can keep it. If you want then to get your result later, you can retrieve them by clicking on this button.
So here is our notebook where we worked. We can see our data set here with a lot of nans. That's why we use the cat boost classifier, which can handle these nans very easily. And so we did all this thanks to IBM Z, and where we could have trained our model. So we saw like all the pre-process we did, and then here is our training and the performance of our model, which is almost 82% of accuracy. Thanks to this datathon, we discovered that data is key, and we greatly enjoyed discovering IBM Z and working in groups. So thank you very much for this.